Oxnard bombs to our Muslim brothers and sisters continues now in... Everyone looks like everyone except the Hare Krishnas.
Wow, that was a wrap.
Subscribe to this guy.
Oh, thank you. Yes, we on the road again. It's my last day here in Seattle. I just checked for the flight this morning. I'm gonna let you know in a bit in this video where am I heading next. I'm gonna catch up with a very nice and dear subscriber, Ronald Prabhu. Thank you, Ronald, for helping me to arrange the flight and the commute, and you know, thank you so much. You're the best. Looking forward to see you tomorrow, Ronald. Want to thank Seattle. It was an amazing time here. Everyone who participated in the Living Monk segments this month and the previous month. Thank you so much. And especially huge thanks to Max Prabhu, who tolerated me here for how long I've been here, Prabhu, with you.
Time flies.
What would you say was your favorite venture with the Living Monk here in Seattle?
Oh my gosh. Probably when we brought back I forgot his name.
The drunk guy?
The drunk guy back for some preaching. That was awesome.
I was thinking about that on the way here. Yeah, I think my favorite adventure was when we found this drunk guy outside of the bar with the harmonium and just
awesome.
chanted with him. That was ecstatic. So when are we gonna meet next time, Prabhu? Kartik or what?
Kartik.
Kartik. And you all are invited. Why don't we do a huge meetup there with all the subscribers from Europe? You're all welcome to come and join us for Kartik Vrat. I think it starts 13th of October, so you can go ahead, book your flights. If you feel adventurous, you can stay with us at the temple. And I'll wake you up with chanting and dancing and gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun, the best.
Ones of you who are here in the States, I'll be here till the end of the summer. Max Prabhu he's gonna head at the end of this month to Spain. Usually I do keep the things here on the channel spontaneous, but I do sort of have a rough plan to do sort of a coast-to-coast journey, starting from California, Texas, New Mexico, Florida, whatever is there in between. If you're there, DM me and let's catch up and do something together for Krishna. Hey, beautiful smiles. Wow, what's your secret? What's your favorite color? Blue, like Krishna. Check it out. It's a meditation book. Mantra. You heard about mantra?
Thank you. I teach yoga and I really love it. It's wonderful stuff.
This is even better. Let's get to these gulab jamuns before they get too cold. Okay. Thank you so much for subscribing and hitting the bell button. No problem. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what happens next week. If you hear about someone, or maybe you know of any like idea, how can I come to?
How much are the tickets?
Hey, I didn't look into that yet. I'm gonna see. Yeah, why not?
Just see, maybe I can sponsor you. If it's a reasonable cost.
Okay, yeah, I can make a research. Yeah.
Yeah, just find out, what's the cheapest, safest way to get here, and we definitely can help. It's our responsibility to help each other.
Sounds like a plan. Okay, Prabhu. So we'll keep in touch and see what Krishna has in mind there.
Oh,
Thank you so much for your association. Oh, 10:08. Just see. All glories to Prabhupada. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, good morning. So I'm gonna head to the airport in about an hour. Plenty of time to pack. This is more or less all my stuff, literally my home. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to pack now. It's 4:14. It's already more or less organized, so it should not take that long. So it's 4:30. Took me just a bit, more than 15 minutes. Pretty much it, you see. Whoop. Let's go to the last morning program and hit the road.
One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and should be ready to offer all respect to others. In such a state of mind,
Spirit. Flying with the spirit to the spiritual world. Hopefully not yet. I'm not ready. Thank you for everything. See you in Kartik. Hare Krishna. See you in Spain. Hare Krishna. Let's find the gate. Says B. Hare Krishna, we just arrived to Vegas, the Sin City. This is not my final destination, I just have a short connection, so I don't actually have time to check the city. But I was wondering, what do you think? Should I come back here at some point and do some Hare Krishna chanting? Would you like to see videos like that? Let me know down in the comments below. Hari Bol.
Sacramento, where the local time is 5:35 p.m.
So we just got to Sacramento. I'm gonna go and meet Ronald. And B? I think they said B. Gate B. I'm gonna check and text you.
Yeah, please text me. I'm on my way.
Okay, thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. See you soon. Haribo. Haribo. Nice to see you too. Whoa, look at that. Wow, what a blast. Look what Ronald got for us. Hare Krishna. Books Not Bombs to our Muslim brothers and sisters continues now in Sacramento. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Gonna see you all in the next videos here from California. Make sure you hit that bell, subscribe. And don't hesitate to send your link to the friends, your friends. Share, like, really helps the algorithm to push these videos forward. Hare Krishna. But you, Prabhu, how did you get acquainted with Prabhupada, Krishna consciousness from like the very beginning of your life? I guess?
No. In 2007, 2008, I was searching for spirituality, and I was in college. So I took a global Islam class, and I was curious as a kid because my dad used to go to religious programs like Jehovah's Witness and stuff like this. So we used to go. They used to chant, Jehovah's glories and stuff. So we have some background from childhood, and then when we came to America in 1997, we kind of lost touch of everything. But when I was in college in 2007, 2008, took an Islam class, and I was pretty impressed with the culture and the presentation by the teacher.
Okay.
And then I thought do a comparative study of Hinduism and Islam. So then I thought to myself, I've heard about the Bhagavad Gita. So I searched on YouTube, and then Prabhupada's books came up. Prabhupada's videos came up. Then all the different schools, bogus schools.
Okay.
Then after that, I went on eBay and bought a Bhagavad Gita, but I never read it. I bought it, but it was there, and my dad was reading it actually.
Oh, okay. That was already here in
America, yeah.
Okay.
So my dad was reading it, but I was listening to the classes by Prabhupada and different people, So I was kind of inquisitive. I liked the Bhagavad Gita Sanskrit recitation, and like that, my interest slowly grew. And then I was following this so-called bogus guru, Nityananda. I really liked his explanations. This is Mayavadi,
Okay.
addicting stuff. So I got addicted for 3 or 4 years. But in the meantime, I was checking out all kinds of
You were searching.
Yeah, searching different videos, different gurus. So Prabhupada was one of them, but I was very upset because he was always criticizing people like us, me, rascal. You have to surrender to Krishna.
A bit heavy.
Very heavy, yeah. Then later on, the guru fell down. This guy was following. Then after that, I went to India. I stayed at an ashram there for about 6-7 months in India. This was in Coimbatore. And we had some experiences there, preaching, prasadam distribution, Harinam Sankirtan. Then like that, then the guru fell down over there also.
Yeah.
Guru fell down. He got in a illicit relationship with the disciples.
Achha.
So he fell down. Then after that, I came back to America, and then I started associating with devotees locally in 2009, 2000. 2000, something like that.
Was it here in Sacramento?
In Sacramento.
Okay.
So I started distributing Prabhupada's books, and then associating with the local devotees. And then 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. So just associating with the local devotees, and there's some sincere people here in Sacramento, meaning Prabhupada disciples. And then after that experience with the Guru falling down in India, then I went to India again with some Prabhupada disciples. I stayed in Mayapur for like 4 months or something.
Oh, wow.
So then after that I went again with the same devotees. So I've been associated with them, and they're very nice devotees. So they really helped me in my Krishna consciousness. And I had a desire to visit Mayapur. I was listening to Navadvip Mahatmya. So somehow that kind of got me to the Mayapur, and I stayed there and I visited.
Vrindavan too? No.
Vrindavan, I stayed there one day.
Okay.
So basically that's where I am at now.
It looks like a mandir.
Yeah, this is a train station.
Ah, okay.
So that's basically my journey.
Wow.
From 2007, 2008 to
Yes.
2019 now.
I think I saw an interview they did with you on ISKCON Desire Tree.
Yeah.
And you kind of recall some of these memories there, but it's always nice to have another more intimate
So that's
explanation.
so that's basically it. Nothing serious, but then the main thing was that I was listening to Prabhupada's lectures, conversations, so that really gave me a good foundation on real Krishna consciousness. That was my thing from the beginning.
Yeah.
I could have taken initiation long time ago.
Yeah.
But I never really. I was studying Prabhupada's books, lectures, conversations, so that gave me a grounded understanding of the philosophy and the mood Srila Prabhupada had.
You said the magic word, Krishna.